The Voting Rights Act of 1965 is a very big deal. It transformed America, marking the end of the Jim Crow era and effectively banning racial discrimination in elections.
When Lyndon Johnson came into office, he made black civil rights a priority.
It is to give all our people the right to choose their leaders. To deny this right, I think, is to deny democracy itself.
When Congress passed the Voting Rights Act, I mean, they talked about it as, being this crown jewel, right? Like that they had finally righted a wrong.
The stunning thing about the Voting Rights Act is just how fast it worked. So on the day it was signed, less than 7% of black eligible voters in the state of Mississippi were registered to vote. Just 2 years later, that number was 60%.
But in the past few decades, conservative justices on the Supreme Court have taken major steps towards dismantling it.
The Supreme Court just finished hearing arguments in a major Republican challenge to the Voting Rights Act. This is a case that could gut key provisions that prohibit racial discrimination in redistricting.
He's talking about the Louisiana versus Callais case. At first glance, it might look like yet another scuffle over who gets their way when it comes to drawing electoral maps. But the truth is, there is a lot at stake here, and you should care about it. Because if the plaintiffs in this case get their way, the Voting Rights Act could be erased, and America could be transformed again, but this time, it would tear down more than half a century of voting rights progress.
The Supreme Court is now set to decide not just if Louisiana must keep 2 majority black districts, but whether the Voting Rights Act can continue protecting minority representation nationwide.
This is bigger than just one congressional seat in the state of Louisiana. We could see a sweeping change that would set us back 60 years.
If you enjoyed that 2-minute preview of the docket, join our Vox community over on Patreon, where you can catch the rest of that 12-minute episode and so much more.